Hi everyone! So in this video, I'm going to explain paano yung process ng ating filtering in our online tindahan po dito using our MOT application. So ano nga ba yung filtering ng online tindahan natin? It is actually a process of filtration where one can filter name of customer as well as the process. So how should we do it here in our MOT app? So first step po, dapat po nag-login na po tayo sa ating MOT app. Tap lang po natin yung table or slot po, and then tap lang natin yung online tindahan order, okay? So the moment you tap that one po, it redirects to our online tindahan orders. So ito po yung itsura ng ating online tindahan orders po. You can tap the filter where you can search the name of the customer, let's say Almar, and then tap OK. And you may also see the status if you also want to filter the status. Probably if you want to filter yung mga pending, yung pine-prepare, yung under delivery, yung natapos na, yung na-transferred, na pinaprocess pa laang, tender na ba, bayad na ba. So that is the purpose for the filtration po dito sa ating filter online tindahan orders.